Good morning, everyone. Today again start our virtual class. At first, open your copy and open your book also. Today's date is 18th September 2020. Day is Friday. Subject is French. Today we have to revise the lesson number 13. Okay, today I discussed the lesson number 13. We are already discussed lesson number 11, 12, 13. But today we again discuss lesson number 13. Lesson number 13, here they discuss the season of the year. In France or any European country, there are the four seasons of the year. That is spring, summer, autumn and winter. There is no rainy season or another things, but there is only for the spring, summer, autumn and winter. So today this lesson have to discuss the season of the year. Here is discussed. Everybody open lesson number 13, page number 32. Everybody open lesson number 13, page number 32. Here is heading L'année à quatre saisons. L'année à quatre saisons means the year has four seasons. The year has four seasons. Le printemps, that means the spring. L'été, that means summer. L'automne, that means autumn. L'hiver, that means winter. So, here this lesson discuss when the spring start and when the spring end. Le printemps commence le 21 mars et finit le 21 juin. That means the spring start 21st March and end 21st June. L'été commence le 22 juin et finit le 22 septembre. The summer start the 22nd June and finish the 22nd September. L'automne commence le 23 septembre et finit le 21 décembre. That means the autumn start 23rd September and finish 21st December. L'hiver, that means winter. L'hiver commence le 22 décembre et finit le 20 mars. That means winter start 22nd December and finish 20th March. Okay? Commence means start, fini means end or finish. Au printemps, le ciel est bleu, le soleil brille, il fait beau. That means in spring, the sky is blue, the sun is shining, the weather is good. Les arbres ont des feuilles vertes. The trees leaves are become green. Le printemps est la saison des fleurs. The spring is the season of flower. En été, quel temps fait-il? En été, quel temps fait-il? In summer, what is the weather? En été, il fait beau et il fait chaud. In summer, the weather is good and the weather is hot. Déjà les fruits grossissent. Already the fruits graping. Sont-ils bons? The weather is good. Non pas encore. Not so much. En automne, le ciel est gris. In autumn, the sky is grey. Il pleut. It is raining. J'ai un parapluie. I have an umbrella. Il fait du vent. The wind is blowing. Le feuille des arbres tombe. The leaves of the trees are fall on the ground. Quel temps fait-il en hiver? What is the weather in winter? En hiver, il fait froid. In winter, the weather is cold. La neige tombe, the dew drops, et la terre est blanche. The land became white. So this lesson discuss the four seasons of the year, that spring, summer, autumn and winter. When the four seasons start and when the four season end, discuss. And how the fourth season is going on and what is the weather, everything discuss. And the last line of this lesson, that is en été il fait jour tôt, in summer the day is long, jour tôt, the day is long, il fait nuit tard, the night is short. En hiver il fait jour tard, il fait nuit tôt. In winter, the day is short, il fait nuit tard. That means the night is so long. That is the chapter. And here they discuss the second group of verb. Here discuss the second group of verb. First group, that means which verb ending in year, that is first group. Second group, that means which verb are ending, thousands and lakhs verb which are ending in IR, that is the second group verb. Here is the rules, that means at first ending omit, then before IR to write J to will, there is finite verb, so you have to write at first subject, that means J, Thu, Il, Al, Nu, Vu, Il, Al. Then before IR, that means FIN to write J to Il, then adding IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ and ISSENT. That is the rules of second group verb. Okay, you have to practice it. And exercise 1, to conjugate the three verbs, that means commencer, that means first group verb, finir, that means second group verb, and faire, that is irregular verb. Exercise number 2, that means there is a question answer. De quelle couleur est le ciel au printemps? What is the color in the sky in spring? De quelle couleur est-il en automne? What is the color in autumn? That means sky in autumn. De quelle couleur sont les arbres au printemps? What is the color of the trees in spring? En quelle saison tombe le feuille? In which season the leaves of the trees fall on the ground? De quelle couleur est la neige? What is the color of the ground? Okay, so exercise number 1 and exercise number 2, that is very important. You have to practice in your home. If you have any problem, any doubt, just communicate the teacher app. Not communicate the teacher app because the app is not working, so you have to call me, because you have already, I have to send my number. You have any doubts, any query, just send it or call me. I have to rectify your problem. Practice in your home 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, till then, today is for that. Bye bye.